AZCO Corp designed and manufactured a benchtop cantilever-style unwind station with digital operator control panel that can easily be loaded and is simple to use. Material is loaded onto the cantilever unwind or rewind. The unit can hold material with a maximum roll diameter of 24 inches and width of 24 inches. Swapping rolls of material are quick and do not require any tools. Control speed, torque, and direction from a touchscreen. The compact design allows the unit to be easily mounted in any position. Please give us a call to discuss your application. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to our channels.